What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video today. So the Apple iPhone 12 is the most awaited phone of the year, which is rumored to launch with its different versions like iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The phone is going to launch soon and everyone is excited to know what's new coming with iPhone 12. Like previous versions of iPhone, it's considered typical that Apple launches its new products in September. However, Apple itself has admitted to delays and numerous sources have suggested waiting of iPhone 12 until at least October. With this extension in expected launch date, the rumors and leaks regarding iPhone 12 is creating hype day by day as everyone is anxiously waiting for it. Although there are many leaks and rumors about iPhone 12 and its features, but there is nothing official to prove the information right. For one thing, these will almost certainly be the first 5G iPhones, making them far more future-proof than their predecessors. According to details, it's been heard that significant improvements are made to the cameras with the addition of a high-tech LDR scanner. The screens, which could now come in new sizes, as well as a big boost is expected in power through a new A14 chipset. Well, that's not what makes iPhone 12 something different, as there are plenty of other updates expected too. iPhone 12 range is expected to come with 12 gigs of RAM memory and up to 512 gigs of internal storage. This smartphone will support wireless charging and will equip with 4500 mAh battery capacity. The phone will be available in various colors. As far as the body of this phone is concerned, it's expected to be front and back glass and aluminum frame. The screen sizes can be of 6.3 inches with multi-touch display. Moreover, this phone will be based on iOS 14 hexa-core technology according to the leaked information. According to the in-hand information until now, Apple iPhone price might be $1,400 US. The latest leaked release date of iPhone 12 range is on the week commencing October 12. It means that official launch can be expected on Tuesday, October 13, since Apple often unveils things on it Tuesday. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.